Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the portfolio to see how we're sitting as we close out August and enter into September. We'll be checking over the value, the dividends received, as well as any buys and sells within the portfolio, as well as at the very end I'll take you into the actual portfolio itself. So first things first, the value is sitting at around about £81,260, which has kind of been the joint lowest month for the year, and it continues to downtrend in 2022. If we look further back, we can still see that overall things have been going well up until the last few quarters, where things really have started to take a pivot and a turn for the worst, where have been decreasing in value from about 88,000 as the highs a few quarters ago, whereas right now we're sitting at about 81,000. The cash position which I've got in the portfolio is about £13,987. And again, if we compare this to the start of the year, January I was fully invested, and as we entered into February, March, April and May, I started to take some profits. But of course I've still been buying some stocks over the last few months as well. My asset allocations as international shares make up the majority of the portfolio at 37.2%, UK shares at 33.9%, cash equivalents sitting at about 17.2%, property or REITs sitting at 6.3%, and we've got funds at 2.9% as well as other at 2.6%. Then we've got it broken down into a bit more detail where you can see the asset allocation within the different industries. So technology, we've got 17.7%, telecommunications at 3.7%, financials, the heaviest I've got weighted at 22.6% of the portfolio, real estate at 6.3%, consumer discretionary at 10.9%, consumer staples 10.5%, healthcare 5%, industrials 3.1%, and unclassified funds at 2.9%, and we've also got that cash position which equates to the 17.2% that you can see there at the bottom. The dividends that I've received this month, it comes in at a total value of £163.37, and this came in through 4 payments that I've received. We start off with Vodafone at the bottom of £101, then we had JD Sports Fashion at £7, Energy Transfer at £27.93, and Citigroup close out at £27.17. So that gives us out this month's portfolio, total dividends received £163.37. And this graph here gives you the overall picture from the first payments that I've ever received back in September 2018 all the way up to present time. And to be honest, I've not got a lot to say in this one, other than when you look at two contradicting months between July and August. July from 2019 up to 2022 had been gradually increasing, which is what we like to see, but in August that's kind of taken a little downturn. And from the payments that have come through, from £308 down to £163. And again, what do I get from this? To be honest, I don't read into it too much, as it's all to do with the overall average. It depends on the companies that you hold. You look at UK stocks, they kind of pay out on a semi-annual basis, twice per year, whereas the US shares, they'll pay out on a quarterly basis. So it just depends on what companies you've got within your portfolio. The total dividend income that I've received from owning dividend stocks comes in at £5,932.26, and this is made up by collating all the information that we've got in front of us here. What I'm taking away from this is that my current yearly amount of £1,493, this is pretty much in line from what I got from the total year in 2020. We're still a few months away from the end of 2022, but it'll be really interesting to see what the total dividend income amount comes into. So what have I been doing from a buy and sell perspective? I've not been too busy within the stock market. I've had one buy and I've got one sell. The stock that I sold this month was Leggett & Platt, and the reason for selling it was only because of the lower guidance, and I wanted to do a little bit of profit taking. This was one of the stocks I had in the portfolio, and it was up a little bit, and I thought, you know what, the outlook isn't too great, I'm just going to trim it back, liquidate the position and take the profits. So I bought this company on the 3rd of March this year. Bought £2,448 worth, of which equates to 85 shares within the company. This company also paid out 2 dividend payments, one I got at £23 and one at £26, and I sold the company from an overall value perspective at £2,806, so this gave me a profit, gave me a capital appreciation of £357, the total dividend gains were about £49, the overall gain of the position was £407.27, or it was a 16.3% upside to the capital that I had invested within the company. By buying and selling stocks, I have been generating some money. This month's closed out by £357. This is only for the capital appreciation, so this doesn't include any dividends that I've got. January, February, March, April, you can see that I've been liquidating positions. I was also liquidating in May, but this was one of the companies that I've held for a long time, majorly in the red, and I wanted to just wipe the slate clean and start again. June we closed out £1,600 in profit. In August, just by selling this stock, I've got £357 back into the portfolio. SoFi's guidance was actually pretty decent, and their earnings report I also felt was pretty positive. Trying to value this company is difficult, but I do feel that there is value within the prices that I've got here. I've picked up 153 shares at a price of just over $7, and I've spent about £930 doing so. So now we'll take a deep dive into the portfolio and I'll show you exactly how we're sitting. So the total value right now is £81,762 with a cash balance of about £13,987. Going through the stocks from top to bottom, we've got Alibaba, which is down 50%, nearly down £2,000. We've got Alkaline Water Company, this is down 12.69%. Alphawave IP Group, down 40.24%. Barclays is up 12.25%. Boohoo Group down over 50%. Citigroup is down 4.39%. Coupang is down 10%. Darktrace up 15.87%. Energy Transfer down 17.24%. GAN is down a whopping 73% almost. A Goodbody Health eclipses that, down almost 95%. Greencore Group is down 30%. GSK down 11%. Haleon is a spin-off part of GSK, that's down close to 10%. Hargreaves Lansdown is break even. JD Sports Fashion is break even. JP Morgan is up 1.6%. Medical Properties Trust is down 13.72%. Micron Technology is down 10%. Money Supermarket is down 17.5%. Palantir is down over 50%. Polar Capital Holdings is down 32%. Rhythm Capital Corporation, which is the rename from New Residential Corporation, this is up close to 3%. Smith & Nephew down 12%. DS Smith is down 3%, SoFi down 45%, Store Capital is up 4.4%, Tattooed Chef is down 40%, Vodafone down 19%, and Walgreens down 1.3%. And this gives the overall position where I'm sitting down 25% in the overall market, and this equates to a balance of £22,875. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the insight into how my portfolio is looking. If you enjoyed the video, please drop it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one.